In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove address bar suggestions in Firefox in just a few simple steps. If you're tired of seeing search suggestions pop up while typing in the address bar, or you want a cleaner and more private browsing experience, this tutorial is for you. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three horizontal lines to open the Firefox menu. This is where you'll find all of the main browser settings and preferences. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Search. This section controls how Firefox handles search behavior, address bar results, and suggestion settings. Now scroll down until you find the Search Suggestions section. Here, you'll see an option that says Show Search Suggestions before browsing history in address bar results. This is the setting that causes suggestions to appear before your browsing history when you type in the address bar. To remove those suggestions, simply uncheck that box. As soon as you do that, Firefox will stop showing search suggestions before your browsing history in the address bar. Depending on your version of Firefox, you may also notice related suggestion options nearby, so it's always a good idea to review the search suggestions section carefully if you want a more streamlined setup. And that's it. You've successfully removed address bar suggestions in Firefox. Your browser should now feel a little cleaner and a little more private every time you start typing. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful Firefox how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.